Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, or ADHD, is a condition affecting approximately 1 in 14 young people under the age of 18. While it is commonly associated with symptoms like hyperactivity, impulsivity, and difficulty focusing, recent research highlights another critical aspect: emotional dysregulation. Emotional dysregulation can manifest as depression, anxiety, and explosive outbursts, and it affects about 1 in 2 children with ADHD. This revelation underscores the complexity of ADHD, suggesting that emotional challenges are not merely secondary symptoms, but may be integral to the disorder itself. Cambridge scientists have identified emotional dysregulation as a core symptom of ADHD. This finding challenges previous assumptions that emotional issues were a byproduct of cognitive and motivational problems associated with ADHD. Instead, emotional dysregulation appears to occur independently. For instance, mood disorders like depression affect about 2.1% of children with ADHD, while anxiety disorders impact over 27.4%. These emotional challenges can lead to verbal or physical outbursts, complicating social interactions and daily functioning. Recognizing emotional dysregulation as a core symptom could reshape how ADHD is understood and treated. The research published in Nature Mental Health utilized data from the ABCD study, a large cohort tracking children's brain development and mental health across the United States. Out of over 6,000 children, 350 were identified with high ADHD symptom scores. Among these, 51.4% exhibited signs of emotional dysregulation, independent of cognitive issues. Notably, children with low ADHD symptoms at ages 12 and 13, but high emotional dysregulation at age 13 were 2.85 times more likely to develop high ADHD symptoms by age 14. These findings highlight the significant role emotional dysregulation plays in the progression of ADHD. The study also explored brain imaging data, revealing that children with high ADHD and emotional problems had a smaller pars orbitalis. This brain region, located at the front, is crucial for processing emotions, communication, and inhibitory control over behavior. Professor Barbara Sahakian from the University of Cambridge explained, "The pars orbitalis is a well-connected part of the brain, and if it hasn't developed properly, it might make it difficult for individuals to control their emotions and communicate with others appropriately." This insight provides a neurological basis for the emotional challenges observed in ADHD. The findings have significant implications for treatment. Ritalin, a commonly prescribed medication for ADHD, appears less effective in addressing emotional dysregulation. This highlights the need for alternative interventions. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, could be a promising approach, helping individuals learn to manage emotions, express feelings verbally, and use techniques like exercise or relaxation to alleviate symptoms. Early identification of emotional dysregulation could lead to more effective interventions, potentially improving outcomes for individuals with ADHD as they transition into adulthood. Experts like Professor Sahakian emphasize the importance of acknowledging emotional dysregulation in ADHD. Parents and teachers often say they have problems controlling children with ADHD, she noted, suggesting that better understanding these emotional challenges could lead to more effective support. Professor Chiang Luo from Fudan University added, "Teaching vulnerable individuals from an early age how to manage your emotions and express yourself could help them overcome such problems further down the line." Future research may explore links between emotional dysregulation and immune system dysfunction, offering new avenues for understanding and addressing ADHD's emotional aspects.